How to contact Pinterest support. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. You first click on Pinterest. Once you open Pinterest, you log in. Here it's logged in. You have to click on saved on the bottom right. Once you click on saved, your profile icon will open. On the top right, you will find 3 dots. Click on that and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, here you will find multiple options, but you have to scroll down and click on help center. Once you do that, your page will open and you can choose whatever problem you have to choose for the support center. But the second option, if your problem is not specified here, you have to go to your mail and you have to send a message to the mail address typed as support@pinterest.com. support@pinterest.com. And if your problem is not listed here, you can go and write a direct mail to them on their support team. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.